Hey, welcome back guys. So today on this video, we're talking about Venmo, and more specifically, we're gonna go over the steps on how to activate your Venmo Debit Mastercard. So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, if you're not familiar with Venmo, it is one of the more popular peer-to-peer payment apps out there. So basically, a lot of folks will use this to split bills at like a restaurant or a grocery store, if you're splitting it 50-50 or 25-75, whatever the case might be. But also it's an easy way to send and receive money for family and friends. So sometimes I'll use Venmo to send someone a birthday gift because they get it immediately and they can use it however they like, and really convenient. But what they rolled out was a Venmo Mastercard, as you can see right here. So basically what this is just a brief rundown. Basically this Venmo card is attached to your Venmo account. So if you have Venmo money inside the app, it used to be where you have to transfer that money to your bank account to be able to use it. Now what you can do is you can leave it on your Venmo app and then just use your Venmo Debit Mastercard at the store or online, things like that. So I got mine in the mail and I'm going to go ahead and activate it right now. It's a pretty easy process. They got the instructions listed right here. Basically, they're saying you have to open the Venmo app, go to the Venmo card in your menu to activate. Also, that's where you set your PIN. So I'm going to go ahead and open up the Venmo app right here. It's this blue and white one. If you don't have the app already, be sure to check the video description. I'll try to leave a referral link there. But I'm going to go ahead and open it now. Alright, I went ahead and opened up the Venmo app. This is the home screen, so this is just various transactions that folks have sent on the Venmo app recently, but we're not going to worry about that. In order to activate your Venmo Debit Mastercard, what you want to do is click this button right here on the top left. It's these three lines with a red dot, and that's going to open up another drop-down menu. I'm going to go ahead and click there now. Alright, I went ahead and opened up the drop-down menu. Here at the top is going to be your profile picture, your Venmo name, also your balance right here. But we're not going to worry about that. What we're going to do is, in order to activate the card, you want to click on Venmo card. It's this line right here. It says Venmo card. It looks like it has like a little box with a V next to it. It's 1, 2, 3, 3 lines down from the top. I'm going to go ahead and click there now. Alright, I went ahead and clicked there, and then this activation screen pops up because I have not activated this card yet. They're just letting me know that the card was sent out to this address right here, and then also the expected arrival date, February 20th, 2019. So depending on what date that you requested your Venmo card, just be sure to check that date, and it'll let you know a good idea when you should receive it. But in order to activate, you want to go ahead and click this blue button right here at the bottom. It's called Activate. It's blue and white. I'm going to go ahead and click there now. Alright, next this screen pops up. It says, what is the expiration date on your Venmo card? The interesting thing about Venmo cards is there's no personal information on the front. It's all on the back. So on the back is your credit card or debit card number, expiration date, and security code. So I'm going to go ahead and flip that over and enter in the expiration date off screen now. Alright, I went ahead and entered that in, and next it's asking for me to create a PIN number. So I'm going to go ahead and create a PIN number off screen now. It's 4 digits. Alright, I went ahead and entered the PIN number in, and they're asking me to confirm it. So I'm going to enter it in one more time. Alright, it's thinking. Alright, now this confirmation screen pops up. It says you're almost ready to go. Right below it though, it says the card is now activated. So the card is now activated. I can use it at most places where Debit Mastercard is received. But they're asking me to click next because it looks like they might want more information from me. So I'm going to go ahead and click the next button now. Alright, now they're asking me to add money into my Venmo account. So I'm going to click this add money button. Now keep in mind this is completely optional because I already have money in my Venmo account. So I don't necessarily need to add funds, but it looks like they're prodding me to add more money. I'm going to click that button now. Alright, now it's asking me how much money I want to add. I'm not going to add money, so what you want to do is go ahead and click cancel. I'm going to click this button right here on the top left, cancel. Alright, now it looks like the card is fully activated, and how you can verify that is once you go back here to this drop down menu, click on Venmo card again like I am. I'm going to click there now. Alright, so I went ahead and clicked there, and then as you can see, it no longer has the activate button in the Venmo card option because this card is fully activated. So there you have it. That's how you activate your Venmo Debit Mastercard. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below, let the rest of us know. But hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up, and I hope to see you on the next one. Thanks again for watching.